Hey people, so today we will be creating a key and lock system in Roblox Studio. So to get started, grab your key model. You can make your own, but I just made this in like 50 seconds. It looks really bad. Change the color to like bright red. With your union, make sure that it has use part color, because you need a union for this to work. First, insert a click detector, and inside that click detector, insert a script. You can name the script what you want, but I'm going to name it red key script. But you have to have your key named to key. You can't name it like red key, purple key. You have to name it key, or else the script won't work. What you want to do is script dot parent dot mouse click. So the parent of the script is the click detector, and once this click detector detects a mouse click, it will do this function. It will perform this function, and it'll search for the player who clicked it. Alright, so inside this function, we'll do some variables, assign some variables. Local character is equal to player dot character. The player is the player who clicked the key, and local key is equal to script dot parent, which is the click detector, and the parent of the click detector, which is the key. Next, we want to put the key inside the character. So key dot parent is equal to character. Local world is equal to instance dot new. So this is creating a new instance, and let's create a world constraint, which is a world that connects two objects together. So world dot parent is equal to key world dot part 0, which is the thing that the world connects to first, is the key, and the thing we want it to connect it to after it connects to the main part, which is part 1, equal the character dot right hand. So now let's play. Remember, I anchored this, so that might be a mistake on my part, so unanchor it if you already anchored it, and now it would work. So what we'll do is key dot C frame is equal to character dot right hand dot C frame. So C frame is a way of moving objects to another object. So if we do that, it should go to our hand instead of just staying in the place where it is. There, it's in our hand now. Woohoo. What happens if there are two keys, and I'll make this color blue, as bright blue, and make this the blue key script. You don't need to rename your script. I'm just doing it so you can differentiate between them, because they will have to be the same names. So what happens if there are two keys? You just grab them both, but we don't want that, so we want to replace the other key that we grab after with a new key. If character find first child, so it's searching through the character for something specifically named key. Then local old key is equal to character.find first child key. Now what we want to do now is to replace the other one, like the new key with the old key. So old key dot parent is equal to game dot workspace, and old key dot world constraint is destroy. So then now we should be able to replace the other key. So if you grab this one and grab the other one, oops, it doesn't work. So we might need to add some C frame to move it. So old key dot C frame is equal to key dot C frame times C frame dot angles. So we're gonna rotate it a bit. 0, 0, math dot rad. So this is, instead of degrees, it uses radians or rads or whatever. And let's do maybe 30 degrees. Copy this script, put it in the other key script. Let's see if it works. See, now it works. And it's just moving. See? Whee! It's swapping. So that's all good. But how do we create a locked door? So what I'm gonna do now is make a new part, make it brown. We have this as our door. So we'll name this red door. But we also want to add a lock. So we'll add another part. Put it like over here, about eye level with us. Move it. Scale it. Make it red like your key. And maybe if you want to be extra fancy, add some a decal to it. So keyhole. Let's add like a keyhole to it. There. Now it looks like a door. So select both of them, group them with Control G, and name this red door. In all caps if you really want. So in this is the keyhole. Let's insert another click detector. Insert that click inside that click detector. Insert a script, and this will be the unlock script. But we also want to make an animation for this, I just remember. So let's duplicate this red door with Control D. Let's move it this way and that way, and name this door tween, because that's what the tween is, an animating service for like parts. Make this one invisible, obviously, and obviously anchor both. Alright, so now we can begin scripting. Right, so we want to assign some variables first. Local door model is equal to script dot parent dot parent dot parent. So it will just be this model. That's why it's called door model. And local tween is equal to game dot colon get service tween service. So this single word is the tween service. So now what we want to do is do local tween info is equal to tween info dot new, and now we can write in our information. So time, maybe 1 second, obviously. Easing style, so I want to do enum.easing style dot bounce. Next is easing direction, so enum dot easing direction dot out. Repeat 0 times. Reverses false. And the last one, delay time, maybe like 0.02 or something like that. Alright, we have our information. Now let's assign a variable to the actual tweening. So local door tween is equal to tween, which is the tween service, colon create door model, which is the entire model, door model dot red door tween info. So this is like all the parameters. Then we'll do these fancy parentheses and do some C-frame. C-frame is equal to door model door tween, which is our part that the door is going to tween to, and then dot C-frame. Alright, so next we want to actually create it so the unlock mechanism works. So, door model, keyhole, dot click detector, dot mouse click, connect, function, and we're going to do another player one again because it's got function wrong again. Something is wrong with my N key. And next we're going to do if player dot character find first child key, so it's searching for the key within the player. Make sure to spell it right. Dot brick color, so if the key has the brick color is equal to brick color red, or it could be any color you want, but I'm going to do red. Then door tween play door model dot key hole to destroy that. So now once we play, once we collect the red key and then we click this keyhole, it plays the animation and the door opens, which is really cool.